Sir. You know? Wow! You great singer!
What's up, guys? So this is El Nido day 3. So we're going to another island hopping adventure. Stick with us. Thank you. Later. Day 3. Morning brainstorming. Hindi alam kung saan kami pupunta ngayon.
Parehas na parehas. Ano lang siya? Ano, hugis helicopter lang. Tapos ano, sobrang lalim agad. Balak ko kasi yun magnakpan pa. Kasi sabi ko sa kanila maganda dun. Magnakpan ako maganda. Napakaganda agad. Lalo na ako makarating kayo. Oo, maganda talaga. Grabe.
So pwede doon sa Nakpan namin. Pwede mo dalhin kami sa Nakpan.
Bababa tayo. Dito pa rin tayo. Bakit tayong van? Baka pwede kayo magpapalap kayo. Alam ko yung favorite ko sa Nakpan.
Oh, same boat, same boat. Sabi ni Kuya. Same boat. Let's go. Let's go, day 3. Yun na naman, ganda na naman ng view. Dito na naman kami.
Dito ka tumaan, Jay, kasi tsaka pakitignan yung dinadaanan mo.
Sa gilid kayo, ha?
Okay number nung amin para tatawagan na nga lang.
Tapos doon na lang tayo pahatid sa kanya, no?
Sumasayaw ang aming pinaglalakaran. Dito. Kaya nga. Dito. Same boat. Same boat.
Prepare na kayo. Pasok na kayo pag wala na masyado bangka. Cristiano Paul. Prepare na kayo.
Same boat. Kuya. Same boat. Okay. So let's start with wearing our life jacket.
Kasi nawawala ni speaker.
That's for safety purposes. Okay. Same crew. Si Kuya. Ayan. Good morning. Oh. Yeah. Start of day 3. First spot. Look how beautiful the place is. Ayan. Okay. Yun, no? So, ang plano today is only half day. We're not gonna do like the whole trip for today kasi we're going to Nakpan Beach and doing some ATV. Done with the first spot. Off to the second spot. Helicopter Island. Let's go. Yon. Thank you. Salubong eh, oh. We saw a sea turtle.
Sorry, turtle.
Sorry, sea. Tinamahan ng buhok. But it's nice, it's nice.
Sorry, turtle. Nasaan ka naman? Tayo, ha?
Ma'am, anong oras po ba kayo gusto nyong mag-lunch? Mag-hold na?
Mga 11:30 siguro.
11:30.
Isang island,
10:24.
10:30.
So, isang island pa po.
Isang island.
Oo, dito tayo. Basta muna tayo doon. Sige po. Hold doon na lang sa walang tao, sir.
Ito na lang.
Sa walang tao.
Huwag na kakakain.
Bes ka lang kumain.
Ano na lang po. Tapos, may isang beach pa sa kabila. Pag may oras pa, puntahan din namin.
Mga 3 o'clock, alas 4, mga ganun. Hindi masyado mainit.
Ang araw doon.
Tapos balik na lang tayo ng mga 8 na para dinner. Sakto yun.
Di bago tayo mag-change, mag-ano na tayo, mag-request na tayo ng motor.
Uwi mo na kayo ng hotel ma'am para makapahinga.
Kaya,
Para kasi kinukulang sila eh, para makahanap sila. Oo, hinanapan pa kami ng isa pa.
motor, wala susunod.
Zero sa mga guest staff. Okay? Pero pag kami sa bayan, pag dito kami, ano ka nang ilito, matik, mga kami na siya. Pero pag guest kayo na mayroon pong traffic enforcer, dito po kayo, tatanungin naman kayo kung guest kayo o hindi. Pag guest kayo, papakita nyo lang yung proof yung kung ano, like driver license, passport, kung may dala kayong passport or ID, na hindi kayo taga rito, hindi na po kayo magiging relationship. Pero kailangan naka-full outfit kayo. Back-ride man or yung rider po. Kailangan samahin mo kayo lahat.
we are back in the hotel and as you can see, we changed muna. And later around 3 p.m. we're going for a motorcycle ride. We're gonna be going to a different beach, like down there, that direction. I don't know what direction that is, but yeah, we're going to explore another beach, and hopefully we can like do a zip line thingy, because we were told there's a zip line like near here, so stay tuned with that one. This continuation for day 3. Okay, so we're going out. Yeah.
Yun yung sa atin.
So we're headed to Nakpan Beach.
30 minutes lang sa akin.
30-minute motor ride. Ilang minutes?
30 minutes. Wala, di kita eh.
Hindi kita. Okay. So 30 minutes daw, according to Tito Toto. Tandaan lang kuya. Oh, 1 point something yan. Di ayos na.
2.41 sir.
Oh.
Mamaya po.
Okay. Thank you. Check engine. Okay ka na, Mi? Yan, bigla mo sila.
Kuway. Siya.
Oh wow, video Mi. Sige, video. Oh, ha? Oh, pucha. Uy, fishing. pala. Ayun doon.
Kabila.
Wow, mali. Dito pala. Welcome. Ayun, Mi. Video mo yan. Let's go. Let's go. welcome Nakpan Beach. Ganda. Got some aerial footage for you guys. Effort to effort. So I hope you enjoy.
Kayo nga yung nagpa-happy eh. First time. Taray!
Bakit sabi mo rin?
Quick stop over for souvenir.
Hoy, Jen! Jen!
Okay, some moringa. And this is what we're going to do. We're going to go for
Kakain lang kami din. Ay,
dinner.
kadadating. Nandito sa hotel. Oo. Eh, kasi tayo lang, no? Dito sa labas. Paro yun.
Tapos may pool. Diba? Done eating. That concludes our day 3.
Oo.
It's another awesome
Kasi
experience.
mama. Uy,
Okay, so last day, and we're preparing to go home. We're done with Palawan. So again, thank you for the great experience. It's been one hell of a ride. So thank you, Palawan. Thank you, El Nido. One last view of our balcony. Yeah, here. Oh, feedback.
Feedback? We're too tired.
Too tired? Wala.
We need rest.
Final look at the shores of El Nido near Lime Resort. Papakagda ikaw. Yeah, thank you. Ay, nasa na? Paleta. Ito na ba? Okay. Yeah, thank you ulit. Pasok na kayo. When? So, morning time, headed back to Manila. See you soon, El Nido.
Magandang umaga po. Welcome aboard. This is numbers. No need to photo sitting flight. Salamat po.
Thank you. Mickey boy. Hi. Hey. Hello. Come, Miggy.
Thank you very much.
Salamat po. Salamat po.
Thank you. Let daddy go first, huh? Let daddy go first. Let's go!
Hi, sir.
Hi. Where are you going, sir? Go inside. Go there. Go further back. Yeah, you is. Go there. Go at the back. Go at the back.
Is that the Lamborghini? Is that the Lamborghini I see there?
There's a Lamborghini.
Lamborghini there?
Oh, go. Go up, go up. Here, stay here. Yeah. There's a Lamborghini. Okay, we're on the bus again. Thank you, Airslip. Thank you.